I've been to 4 AAMI Exchanges now. San Antonio brought the heat. Long Beach brought the beauty. Phoenix brought the heat. But New Orleans brought the heart. And for me, this one was the absolute best yet. Let me take you back, because my AAMI experience started before the sessions, before the keynotes, before the expo doors opened. It started Wednesday night with my TriMedics family. A quiet dinner, some live music, and a few sights around the city. It was intentional, it was grounding, it was the perfect launch pad. Then Thursday night came swinging with Party with a Purpose, the party bus. No better way to kick off a conference than by pouring into your people. Over 40 of my friends, not just HTM professionals, but friends, rolled with me through the Crescent City on what's now known as the unofficial B-Hawk Tour. We hit the lower ninth ward, grabbed some eats on the lakefront, watched some ultimate skyline views from a rooftop bar, and wrapped it all up with some music that felt like soul therapy. And y'all, the conference hadn't even started yet. Friday morning kicked off with AAMI's HTM Discovery Day, the very first career day at AAMI Exchange, and it was sponsored by TriMedics. And Elevate HTM, we brought the future into the room. Local New Orleans students got front row access to a world they didn't even know existed. And I don't know who had more fun, the kids or the volunteers. The energy was real, the impact long lasting. Friday afternoon brought the kind of moment you dream of as a mentor. My mentee, JoJo, took the mic at the College of Biomedical Equipment Technology Leadership Summit and lit the room on fire. By the end of his speech, standing ovation. Not a quiet heart in the place. He didn't just speak, he ignited hope. And major love to my good friends Monty and Lisa Gonzalez, who made sure JoJo had the scholarship support to start his first day of school that very following Monday. Friday evening, the expo officially opened, and I had the honor of interviewing Robert Murray, President of Clinical Engineering at TriMedics. That was a moment for me as a member of the TriMedics family. And here's what I really want to say about TriMedics. Everywhere I went that weekend, I saw family. At the booth, on the floor, in the sessions. Every time I crossed paths with a TriMedics colleague, there was nothing but love. Like we were walking around with invisible armor, proud to have TriMedics on our chests. It felt like wearing a badge of honor, not just for what we do, but how we show up for each other. That type of unity, that kind of presence, that's one of the most unforgettable parts of my entire AAMI experience. At the TriMedics booth, I had the privilege and honor to moderate a panel speaking about the future of HTM with my teammates Jeff, Rochelle, and Anthony. The crowd showed up strong. The discussion was powerful. And I joined the AAMI booth team as a roving reporter, spotlighting HTM associations in the association row, and also spotlighting HTM vendors such as USOC, Steris, and FSI. I even sat down with AAMI's Brian Stallard and JoJo to talk about JoJo's journey. That conversation, one I'll never forget. Sunday morning, Janesh Patel stepped on stage and gave us a word that will echo for a while. He pulled back the curtain on HTM opportunities beyond the hospital. He challenged the status quo. He gave us vision. That's what leadership sounds like. And we can't forget Mardi Gras World. The mansion, the food, the music and dancing. They brought New Orleans to life and closed the weekend in true celebration. So what's the verdict? AAMI Exchange 2025? It owes me nothing, but it gave me everything. Purpose, people, possibility. To AAMI, take a bow. To TriMedics, thank you for being anchors in the storm and light on the path. To everyone who showed up, stood up, and poured in, this is how we build legacy. Let's keep it moving. Support youth in HTM, follow the movement, and I'll see you in Denver.